Olivia Walker, and I'm the Vice President Membership for Kappa Delta. First, I want to say how excited we are that you are all signed up for recruitment, and today I want to take a little time to show you around our house. To the right, we have our chapter room, and to the left, we have our social room. Now I'm in the social room, which is one of my favorite places in the house because it's a really great place to hang out with your sisters, watch The Bachelor, play board games, but it's also a really great place to study when you need a quiet spot and you're tired of the library. Now I want to show you our chapter room, which is right across the hall. Here in the chapter room is where we have larger chapter meetings, like when we need to meet to plan things for our philanthropy, or we even have fun parties, like we had a Christmas party in here, and it was so much fun. It's a bigger space so we can fit more girls in here whenever we need to have chapter-wide events, but it's also a really great place to hang out and study too. I'm so glad that I got to show you around our house today, and we can't wait to meet you during recruitment.